Hi, this is Marley with MarineMax in Pompano Beach. Today we're going to take a look at the SPX 210 from Sea Ray. This is the outboard model with 150 horsepower Mercury on the back. It's a perfect little sport boat with a nice ski pylon on the back here and a sun pad to lounge on, along with a bimini top to get out of the Florida sun. Now stepping into the cockpit, there's a couple features such as this removable cooler that comes with the boat. Also a built-in cooler with a drain, so you just take that out, all the water drains overboard. Stainless steel cup holders and grab rails are throughout the boat, along with the Fusion audio speakers that is controlled by this unit here with Bluetooth. This boat is also optioned with the Simrad display and the stone upholstery. There's a giant ski locker here where you can put your wakeboard, skis, or life jackets, along with another storage compartment here in the side console. Now moving to the front of the boat, we have two bow loungers, both port and starboard, with removable cushions with storage underneath both of them. If you're interested in this boat, please give me a call at 407-446-5990 or come see us in Pompano Beach, MarineMax. Thanks for watching.